Hi, my name's Debbie Sharp and I'm one of the lead artists on the FreeHaus project, helping develop the programme and the structure of the new art school. Well, what's not to like about the building? It's great. It's Llandudno and the artists around here are really lucky to have this space. It's an empty shell full of possibilities. It's really rare for artists to get given spaces like this these days. But there's a lot of property development going on and commerciality of space. There's a price on buildings that is usually out of reach for artists. So to be given a 4th floor building in the centre of Llandudno is amazing, and it's stripped back to the bone, which is great. So it's open to all possibilities of experimentation and play for the artists as well. So anything could happen really. It's been really great being part of the development of this project, and because it's really important these days that projects like this kind of exist with the current climate of things like art education being cut back and tuition fees being extortionate. So projects where they're inclusive and open to all, for people to come and just, as I said, experiment, learn new skills, and just try the hand at being creative. It's amazing really that this project is happening, and we've already got some really great artists involved in the project with the fellows and the associates. So I can see it being a success, and the students that come in, it's invaluable to people these days to be able to have a space like this to learn and to develop an artist community, develop an art practice.